Well, you'll never guess where I am today. Well, maybe you might do. There's a little bit of a clue behind me. I'm stood on the site of Blackpool Central Station. This is what the exterior of the station used to look like. This photo was taken in 1966. And I'm going to find Central Sheds. So it's off we go. So these are the directions to the shed. It looks pretty simple. Walking time 20 minutes. So I shouldn't get lost. But you never know with my luck. Let's see how it works out. This is the site of the 14 platform station. And my instructions are to come out of the station, turn left, and then turn left again along the promenade. And that's just what I'm going to do. Blackpool's changed tremendously over the years, obviously with the station gone. But at least I've got a nice day for it for once. So there's a promenade in the distance, and that's where I'll be turning left. So I'm at the promenade now, turning left, and then it says after some walk. So that's quite a distance, obviously. I've got to find Rigby Road. So it's a fair way down, I believe. It's not a train, but there's a tram. So I'm just going past Central Pier now. Heading for Rigby Road. It's a shame most places are closed. There's a fish and chip shop open there, burger bar. But it's March. And I guess it's out of season. I'm still going. This is Central Pier now, I'm just passing it. Blackpool Central was coded 24E. It was an 8-road shed, dead-ended. And it used to be a little haven for local spotters because you used to get a lot of namers there. Especially in the summer when specials running into Blackpool. Back in the old days when train spotting was a little bit more exciting than it is today, I think. I'm still plodding on, looking for Rigby Road. My local shed director tells me it's a 20-minute walk, so it's got to be a fair way yet. At least the scenery is nice. I'm just passing the famous Manchester pub now. Bar's been there quite a while. Can't be far now. At least I'm not getting wet through again. I'm still working my way down the promenade, looking for Rigby Road. Can't be much further now. I know that because my legs are getting tired. I'm getting a bit worried now because I haven't found Rigby Road yet. And I'm getting towards the south of Blackpool. It's not here either. I'm going to have to ask somebody, I think. Well, I just talked to a very nice gentleman who told me I've come too far. I thought it was a long 20 minutes. I'm nearly at South Pier. So I'm now going back onto the promenade and going north. Car coming, I can't cross. But there's a lovely picture of a tram. So now I'm back at the Manchester, and look what's over there, Rigby Road. I walked right past it. Yeah, I don't know. No wonder they take me such a long time and take so much out of me. I covered twice the land I should need to do. Anyway, at least I'm on Rigby Road now. And there's a sign, just to prove it, see? Rigby Road. And this is Rigby Road. So I've got to go past the underbridge. or is it an overbridge? And the shed is on the right hand side. I just checked my instructions again, and it is railway overbridge, so that must be it in the distance. Now whether it's in use as a railway bridge or not, I very much doubt. Well, there's the proof that it's not a railway bridge now, because that girl's just walked along it. So it's got to be a road now, that. It's got to be the original embankment though. So the shed entrance is just past the bridge on the right hand side. It's probably all built up now with new houses or industrial estate or something. We'll see. So I'm going under the bridge now, which is relatively new. So maybe they knocked the old bridge down and built a new bridge in its place. So the entrance to the shed was just on the right hand side here. Well, you can see what it is now. It's all houses and all built up. So that is it, I'm afraid. I'll have a look up here, just out of interest. It would have been a path and this land would have all been level. So you can see this is it, and you can see the distance there because of the tower, and there's more people walking across the bridge. So I'm going to cut it off there, this here. So I want to give a big thanks for joining me on this trip, and it's a beautiful day anyway, so I've had a great time. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Now this is just a recap of where we walked. Originally I walked down the promenade and I went all the way down here past Rigby Road, which is here, and this was Lytham Road. That's what confused me, because there was a road going off and I saw that that was Lytham Road. So I carried on way down here until I had to ask directions. So then I came back up again, and then I went off across to Rigby Road here. I came over here and then went under the line, and the entrance was just on the right hand side here. This was the shed here. You can just make out the turntable there as well, and these were all the sidings and stuff that went on. So that's where we went, and that's the end of that little bit.